Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we learn how to color change in Picsart application. Open Picsart application. Select photo. Click on effects option from bottom. Then click on color option. Click on color replace option. Pick or select the color which you want to change. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. There is 3 options: replace hue, minimum hue and maximum hue. Change that and you can change the colors. You can clear the extra color from erase tool and recover with restore tool. After all done, click on top right button. Then click on download button on top.